Frank, come here, Frank. Come here, see. Frank, come. Take that bowl of coconut from there. This is one way. This is not to enter the farm again.
Frank, mind yourself. Frank.
Take it from them. You're doing what? Carry this side.
Uncle, leave us alone for Christ's sake.
Why should I leave you alone?
We will not give you any documents. Is that what we are looking for?
Those documents whether you like it or not.
Uncle, we will not give it to you.
You will not give it to me. All right. Friend.
It's time for them to leave my children alone.
Why?
Leave them alone. Please. Leave for nothing, man.
Sir, come on.
Frank, you leave them alone. Leave them alone. Leave my children alone. Leave my people for nothing, man. It's time for them to leave my children alone. It's time for leave my children alone. Leave my sister and my children alone. To enter that farm again. Useless idiots. Leave my daughters alone. They have done nothing to you. Leave them alone. This week I know my brother. This week I was married and I'll be well with you. He shall not be well with you. Take the way. Let me hit him with this stick. I want to hit him. Let him die. I want to kill him. Where's you? No, take me to his room. No, leave me. Take me. No, leave me. Take me to his room. This is getting too much. This weekend, he should say to me, my children, what have I done to me? What have I done to this husband, brother? What have I done to me? Shameless man. So you knew what was wrong with you all this while, and you pretend as if you knew nothing. Amina, you have been fooled. You made people laugh at me, even while passing on the street. You made me laughing stock. Eddie, my God will punish you. My God will surely punish you. This is just the beginning of your pain. This is the beginning of your pains. I don't know what that woman has that I don't have. You know what? I am leaving you for good.
Auntie, please, this is not the best time for playing. Let's just find a solution to this problem first before any other thing, please. You can't leave him in this kind of condition and situation. This is the time we need to most, please.
Amina, use the devil. Please,
just leave the devil out of this.
please. Amina, please. Forgive me. It's too much for me. Okay.
But brother, what should we do now? Papa said she's the only one that can set you free.
I mean, I scratch my back. Yeah.
Do not proceed further. This abomination must not enter my shrine.
I don't understand. Please, help us. Please help me.
The solution you seek lies in the hand of your husband.
My husband?
How?
Confused, great one, please. Make me understand.
Your husband slept with a witch.
A witch?
That cast this spell upon him.
A witch? A witch? So you slept with a witch?
Ask him! Ask him!
So you know this all along?
Is that true? So you knew all this and you did not talk about it for the past 3 months?
Men are like dirty.
Please, wise one, what are we going to do now, please? Please talk to us.
Oh, you son of just said no question. The solution lies in his hand. He shall go to beg that witch. Only her can set him free. Only her can undo what she has done. Go! And if you have done that, if she refuses to undo this, then you can come back to me.
You will not know. You see what you have caused to yourself? I don't know why. You men, you can't just stick to one woman.
Too much for me. Too much for me.
Sorry, brother.
Nina.
Stop calling me. Stop calling my name. I was not there. What do you want?
Please. I know that I have hurt you. Please forgive me. It's not like well. But I know that it can't work out.
It can't work out. And you slept with me? You allowed me to love you? Eh? Hey! You even deceived a widow like me with your fake love?
Lisa, I am sorry. I am sorry. Please forgive me. It's too much of me.
Oh, the pain is too much for me. Eyan.
No.
Pain is too much. The pain is too much for me. You will have much more pains. You will feel these pains forever, so you know how painful it is to break a woman's heart.
No.
Please forgive my brother and set him free. The shame is too much for us to bear.
Bonatai, I cannot set your brother free. He is under my captivity. And he shall suffer forever. Do you hear me? He is under my captivity and there is no one that can set him free. Now both of you, leave my house before I add more to it. I said leave! Leave my house! When I was opening my legs for you, you didn't know it would not work.
Community that we own the community. Amadi, you have stepped on the python's body and you shall receive your bite. Is it because of your little charm that you have you want to challenge me?
Oji!
longer. But I will tell you, I am a thunderstorm. Victory is ours. No one who deals with us will ever go free. As for you, Osati, all your money should be wrapped, and you will spend all your money on police case.
My love, Eddie is asking for my forgiveness. Should I grant him?
Never! Never shall anyone be granted forgiveness.
My lord, my landlord, Usagi, he's on my neck, asking me to pay his rent. While he's in Benin, enjoying himself, I am here struggling. I don't know what to do.
How would you like to be the landlord of the house?
Yes, I like that.
Your wish is granted.
Thank you. Yes.
Your wish is granted.
Thank you, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
Okay, the international newscaster. This one that you are here this one. No police work. My dear. See, all is not well.
Hey, they're talking about the doom that is happening. More is still happening.
My dear. It's only God that will set us free from this wicked.
Have you heard that Amadi died this morning? Not only that, the police came and arrested his son for trucking.
Okay, close your mouth. Who told you all this?
I was there. It happened in my presence.
What about Abel?
Abel. Hey. Abel said that she's not going to set Eddie free. Oh.
So nobody comforts them.
Eh? Did I hear you well? And who will do that? Eh? When Odige confronted him, Idiabo struck him with a large mango, which is still suffering till now. See, my sister, I think I have to stand up before this my mouth will put me
All
in
right,
trouble.
Is this you?
Yes, it's
Why are you talking like this now? Brother, don't you trust your sister? Eh? I'm a husband and I know how to take care of myself. That's why I'm looking fresh now. Well, please, how is your wife?
Fine, but your brother is no longer a youth copper. I am now a full-time graduate.
Are you
Why the way
serious?
you address me?
Thank you, Jesus. God, I'm happy for you. I'm so happy for you. You know what? This calls for celebration. Let me go in and prepare your favorite meal. Let's do it.
You will do like my mother. I know.
Papa! Ah, Frank! People are waiting. Papa! Mr. John, wait back.
Oh, my beautiful daughters, you're back, eh?
How are you?
Oh, fine, I'm back, yes.
Frank, you're not a big man.
Welcome. That's true.
How are you now?
I'm fine, as you can see. I'm very fine.
Frank, you're fully grown, Abby. I hope you're not running Papa's pocket try.
So how is school?
It's fine, no. I'm not a graduate.
Ah, that's very good. And you?
Papa's school is fine. We just rounded off the semester.
Oh, very good.
So, Papa, tell me, how is Ufeko and her sisters?
Don't ask me that stupid question again. Am I their bodyguard? Anyway, let's go.
Frank, you look good. This village is just good for you. I bet you come and don't see the way you have been. Hey, Frank.
So you know all this.
Yes, brother. Imagine people dying like chicken. The other day, it was a magic household. Clothes. Amade's death and his son's life in prison. Just.
Not God's intervention. Yes. What about you? One of them is
Brother, listen. Everyone is scared of death.
I don't understand. So where are the people that saw all this? Hey!
I just see you. Don't worry. I have kata, please. It's not my business.
Is it somebody's village that you have kata hair?
Come here. Where are you coming from?
Uncle went to look for our daily food.
You went to look for your daily food. Who permitted you to go and look for your daily food? Eh?
I don't understand. Uncle, do we need permission from you before going to look for our daily food? Or do you want us?
If you would like to stab, it's none of my business.
Hey!
Give me that money.
Sorry, Uncle, I cannot give you this money.
Eh?
No, this is the source of our feelings today.
Eh?
Was it my father you are talking to that way? Did you just talk to my dad like that? How dare you? How dare you? You talk to my father in that manner. I will deal with you. That is how they do it. Yeah? So this is what my father goes through his hands. And who is this man? What is it? It's okay. Frank!
It's your fault. Let us leave my children alone.
Take them away.
Come and fight now. He should not have peace. He shall not let my children have peace. He shall not be well with you, Jacob. You will not have peace. When will you leave my children alone? Leave my children alone. Let them have freedom.
Your children have the guts to fight my children. Those useless girls.
Papa, Tidiago.
Shut up before I if I hear your voice again, you will swallow your tongue. Come on.
Tidiago.
And you children, you will remain like this until sundown.
Papa, please, nah. Tidiago, leave my children alone. Let them have peace.
Joy, I'm disappointed in you. If not that you are my elder sister, I would have dealt with you. I would even kill you. Nonsense. You don't deserve to be a part of our family. Come, let's go, Frank.
Papa, please come and release them, Papa.
Mama, please don't cry. I'll go and talk to Papa. I'm coming. Please don't cry. I'll be talking to him. I'm trying. My father is very stubborn, my Papa. Mama, please don't cry again. Please, I'm coming.
Please talk to your father, oh, Jago. Let my children have peace in the house. Let my children have peace. They have done nothing to you. If you don't let us leave them alone, you will never know peace. In Jago, you will never know peace. You will never know peace. You will never leave my children alone.
Papa, Father, how could you be this wicked? What do you gain in this your wickedness? What has this woman and her children done to you that you don't want to leave them alone? Your own brother's wife. You suffer them like this. I guess your brother must be regretting why he has you as a brother now.
How dare you speak to me, your father, like that? Huh? How dare you speak to me like that? Don't you have respect anymore?
Papa, you demand for respect when you don't deserve one. Papa, leave that woman and her children alone. Leave her and her properties alone.
Look, if you were not my daughter, you would have seen the bad side of me. Now leave my presence immediately.
Papa.
Leave my presence.
I've said my own, no. I've said my own. Nobody said nothing. I've said my own, no.
Nonsense, like mother, like daughter. Huh? Like mother, like...
Ew! Ew!
Next time, say Jesus, not evil.
Brother, is this you?
Yes, it's you. You must have had a terrible dream.
I'm scared. I'm scared, brother. Brother, this is the third time I'm having this same dream.
You don't have to be afraid, okay? Don't be afraid of anything. What I carry inside of you is fire.
See, brother, I still suggest you leave this village. It's not safe. There are too many bad people everywhere. Please, brother.
The power that came with me from service is more than any power in this community. Okay? It's okay. It's okay. Don't be scared.
Good evening,
Yes, sir. But that was the evangelism.
Ah, science. Things are happening in this community. You don't have to be scared. Okay? He that is in me is greater than them. So they will do nothing. Hey, that reminds me. What about Pastor Yusuf? Scared. How?
But then you know already what is happening in the village. So we want to go and fetch water. The food is served already. We go in and eat. Alright, see you when I come back. Eat.
Who am I seeing? Look at this man. When did you come back? Yesterday afternoon. Well, I was actually coming to your house to see you. Where are you going to? To see my elder brother, of course. So what I heard is true. I came back yesterday and my mom was telling me all the disaster that has been happening.
Yes, so my brother. My family is amongst those suffering from the wicked doings of the evil people in the community. If you see my elder brother's tummy, you will pity him. The worst part is that people that casted his pain on him said she will not do it.
Why? Is she mad? Will you allow your brother to die? Won't you do something fast before you lose him?
My brother, what do you want me to do? We are still begging her. Even the native doctor said she's the only one that can undo it.
If it's me, I will not fold my hands. Allow her destroy my family. What is it, sir?
My brother, since he came back, I haven't gone to see him. But maybe when we come back from my brother's place, I'll go and see him.
Let's go and see your brother.
Amina, this is too much for me to hear.
I know, it's okay. So you have been in this condition and nothing is done about it?
Calm down, Abudu. These people you're talking about are spiritual powers. They are the evil people causing the problems in this community. You don't expect us to fight them with physical powers, but spiritual powers.
I don't care if they have spiritual power. What about the pastors in the community?
Everybody is afraid of these people.
Look at this condition. You have to do something fast before it's too late.
I am sorry that I've not come to see you. Sincerely. You see, this our village is weak and need God's intervention. So where is your brother?
He's at home crying in pains every day.
Something needs to be done before something bad happens to him. Because his condition is getting worse every day.
Devil is iron. When light comes, darkness disappears. Are you hearing me? Darkness must disappear. Your brother must get his healing. Ebo or whatever her name is has no power over him.
Ebo has no power over his life. I'm coming, we'll go to your house.
Forgive me. I know that I've put you in that shame.
I've forgiven you a long time ago, okay? Stop talking like this. It's okay.
Just have me. Man.
It's okay.
What?
Calm down. Stop talking. You're stressing yourself.
You will still be mad.
Baby. It's a lie. It's a lie. Stop now. Stop this every joke now. Eh? Hey! Hey! It's a lie. Somebody help me. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Tell me something, please. Brother, talk to me, please, brother.
Hey! Hey! I cannot take this. I cannot take this. I cannot take this. Baby, wake up. 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 Baby, wake up.
My copper. Your look this morning does not depict the you that I know. What is the problem? What in heaven's name is this ungodly look on your face? What has happened?
The look on this face are the episode of your shame. You call yourself a man of God.
Yes, I am.
And all this evil is happening in this land.
I don't understand. What has happened again? What evil has happened this time?
You are the only Jew in Judah. You are a servant of God as you claim.
Yes, I am.
That means you are supposed to be a spiritual authority.
God be praised. Hallelujah.
Not one looking for means of survival through the name of God. Shame on you.
You see this battle? It is not a physical battle. By strength and anger, can no man prevail. You should know that.
Wake up from your slumber. Hear the clarion call. The chariot of hosts is declaring that salvation is now. Take this message to them. The evil in this land has come to an end.
Combine two, sir. I should take the message to the evil people of this land. Me that has plans to marry, and I just came out of Bible school, and my ministry has not been established. Nobody know me like all those big names. My brother, I bought it like that.
Abel has succeeded in taking my only brother.
This is exactly what I've been telling you. We have to plan on how to drive these evil people away from our community before they kill us all. We need to think of what to do.
Yes. Abel, you will surely pay for the death of my brother. I shall revenge.
Shall run mad forever.
Yeah, people. they look me? Who they look me? Who they look me? Yeah, this country don't finish. It don't finish. Now me go repair now.
Ude? Anybody home?
They will make me the governor of this community. Wow! You pay me that much. I pay that. This money will go scatter. God punish them.